Baby, where is the bald spot? I have traction alopecia where my edges are thin and balding. Today I'm going to show you how to cover this bald spot. If you don't have no edges, then keep on watching. We're going to be using Got2B Glued, and we're going to cover this up right here and make it more realistic. Take some Got2B Glued, slap that on like so, just right in the area that you are going to cover up. And I would say get a generous amount. I took some hair from some hair clips that's curly, that kind of mimics my natural hair curl. So we're just going to take it and we're just going to place hairs right there on that glue like so. Just going to drop some of that hair on in that area. So basically you have to just take the little pieces and place them carefully where you want to cover that bald spot. And this is kind of difficult to do on camera, but see what I'm doing right here? I'm just adding in the pieces, and then we're going to blow dry it down a little bit tacky and just add a little bit more on top. So with this hair hack, you really have to have patience and take your time. But what you want to do, once you get your hairs in there with the glue, you want quite a bit of glue there, but you want to let this dry down, and you want to put it on the bald spot directly and really not putting it on your hair. Okay, so my hair is pretty much dry now. If you want to add some extra security, you can go in and add some Got2B Glued on that spot just to give you some extra security. Okay, so it is very much dry and secure, but of course you don't want to pull on it and snag it out. You're going to go ahead and take your mousse. I love the Do mousses, and we're just going to finger coil and add some moisture so that these curls blend in. So we're just going to go in and kind of just finger coil the hairs right up in here so they blend on in. Okay, so my hair is still kind of damp with the mousse, but look at the curls and the blend in. Yes, this is a great way to cover up that bald spot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tip. Bye.